I'm Cetera, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning Matrix step by step, and this is episode 6 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll get to know a few more useful tools. Project and pullback. The project command lets you take a 2D design like a curve, logo, or text and apply it onto a 3D surface like stamping or projecting it onto the model MinUZ to transfer flat curves or sketches onto curved 3D surfaces for things like trimming, engraving, or detailing. For accurate projection, make sure you're in the correct view direction. The result depends on how the 2D shape is aligned with the 3D surface. The pullback command allows you to pull a curve back onto a surface. keeping it on the surface but making it follow the closest possible path, unlike Project, which uses a fixed direction, mine Uzi, to adjust to fixed curves that were previously projected, so they lie more naturally and cleanly on the surface. Use Pullback when your projected curves look distorted or stretched, and you want them to flow more smoothly on the surface. Intersection. The intersection tool in Rhino helps you find the exact location where two or more objects intersect. It generates one or more new curves showing where the objects meet. To see exactly where two surfaces intersect, useful in jewelry design when different parts need to fit together, to create new curves from intersecting forms for further modeling. Curve Boolean tool. The Curve Boolean tool helps you select and keep specific enclosed areas formed by overlapping closed curves and remove the rest, mine Uzi. When multiple closed curves intersect or overlap, this tool lets you pick exactly which regions you want to keep. Works best with closed and intersecting curves. Open curves or non-overlapping shapes won't produce valid regions. Planar curves. The planar tool is used when you want to make sure that a group of curves are perfectly flat and lie on the same plane. Sometimes, your curves might be slightly off. One a bit higher, one a bit lower. And this causes issues with tools like Extrude, Boolean, or surface creation. That's where the planar tool helps. In jewelry design, having clean planar curves is very important when creating precise surfaces or clean cuts. Plane from corners. The Plane from Corners tool lets you easily create a rectangular flat surface plane by picking two diagonal corner points, building a clean base for 3D modeling, laying out a plate or flat surface for jewelry designs, precisely aligning objects on a custom flat area. Rebuild surface. The Rebuild Surface tool allows you to redefine and simplify an existing surface in Rhino without drastically changing its shape. Makes surfaces easier to control and edit. Useful for simplifying heavy or messy geometry. Great for preparing models for rendering or 3D printing.